Imagine ordering a gourmet dinner without the hassle of grocery shopping or cooking. That's what meal kits offer. But how do they stack up economically? Let's dive into the financial aspects of this popular trend. Meal kit services deliver pre-portioned ingredients directly to your doorstep, allowing you to cook gourmet meals at home. Despite their convenience, the cost per portion can range from 7 to 14, which is less than a restaurant meal but often more than typical grocery expenses. The market for meal kits has shown significant growth. In just 10 years, from 2025 to 2034, the meal kit market is expected to grow from $18.25 billion to an impressive $76.7 billion, showcasing a compound annual growth rate, $47 billion, showcasing a compound annual percent. Strong consumer interest. However, this growth isn't without its challenges. For instance, Blue Apron's value dropped from an IPO of $1.89 billion in 2017 to a mere $103 million by late 2025, reflecting the difficulties some companies have faced despite overall market growth. Despite these challenges, meal kit companies are evolving. In 2025 alone, the industry was valued at $17 billion and is projected to grow with consumer trends towards convenience and tech-savvy solutions. To boost profitability, companies are implementing strategies such as optimizing their cost margin CM by 855%, reducing the cost of goods sold COGS from 80% and lowering customer acquisition costs CACSA from 100 to scale more effectively in summary, while meal kit from 100 to scale more effectively. Services can be pricey compared to traditional grocery shopping. Their market is booming. By addressing cost inefficiencies and leveraging consumer trends, these companies aim to remain competitive in the expanding food delivery landscape. So, are meal kits worth it for you? Consider your budget and convenience needs. What do you think about the economics of meal kit services? Share your thoughts in the comments.